In this video we are going to explore adding a new process to our process library. The process might be pen marking, cutting with a knife, or routing, or even laser cutting. So in ZebraCut you may well be familiar with this small window which gives you a snapshot of your library, your process library, and we want to add a new entry. Now you'll see this is all read-only. We can't change these, we can't add this. So if you want to actually make an edit to your library, what I would strongly recommend you do is go to Advanced and then go to your process library. So this brings up this window here, and you'll see we are on the Processes tab, and you can see a list of all our processes, and then we can add a new process. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first set up a new pen marking process. So I'm going to call it fast pen marking, and I'm going to say this is for card only. So then I'm going to find the tool. I'm going to use the pen tool, and you'll see I have all of the configuration options for pen marking. So we have the speeds. And in this case, I'm going to try and cut at mark at 1600 millimeters per second. I also need to set up the heights as well. So my card is 2 millimeters thick, and I don't need to cut into it. I just want to run along the top of it. I need a very, very short lift height. Maybe just 3 millimeters will suffice. So there we go, I now have a new process which is set up, and you can see fast pen marking has appeared in my little process library here, which I can then assign onto various layers. Now, another shortcut for you, just to make you more efficient, you can also use the clone button here. So if I want to pen mark on, let's say, some MDF, and I'm going to change this to be MDF, and let's make it 12mm MDF. I'm going to change then the cut heights, so we'll have 12mm material height, and everything else can remain the same. So cloning can be quite a useful way of creating processes quickly. With that all done, I'm going to save this library. I'm going to close this, and just in case I've forgotten to save, I'm going to save it again. And there we go, we now have new processes which we can view and we can assign into our job. Thank you very much.